We are currently touring the Swift River Valley in western Portland. We have been inundated over the last few days of reports of mining operations in the river valley. And whereas some mining in a limited way is indeed required and it functions as river training, there are some operations that we've encountered which are outside of the regulatory framework and acting illegally. We will be taking the necessary regulatory action, and that will be bolstered by actions from both the Mines and Geology Department and, of course, NEPA, who has both joined us, and they'll be supported by the JCF, who are on tour with us as well. The reality is we are concerned, and our capacity to monitor our rivers is indeed limited. So we do appreciate when citizens step forward and give us a heads up when there are issues in spaces, and I assure citizens that we will take the strongest legal action when we encounter these issues. We will be convening a joint task force with members of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, members of the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, and of course NEPA and the Mines and Geology Department, because ultimately we have to do an assessment as to where we are with river mining and whether we can continue in some areas and which areas require much stricter enforcement. We are advising and encouraging those who are mining illegally or outside of the terms of their permit that the laws have changed. There are heavier fines than there used to be. Desist from doing so, because you will be brought to book and you will face heavy fines of up to $5, in some cases $10 million.